It's all very well blocking out dangerous industrial noise levels, but not at the expense of losing contact with your co-workers or missing warning messages. That's why Honeywell Impact Sport Earmuffs protect wearers from hazarded noise while keeping them connected to their environment. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The Impact Sport incorporates directional microphones that amplify range commands and other ambient sounds to a safe 82 dB, providing more natural listening and enhancing communication. For protection, Impact Sport actively listens and automatically compresses amplification when ambient impact sound reaches 82 dB and passively blocks out noise at 24 dB. Patented airflow control technology delivers optimal passive attenuation across all frequencies, resulting in more consistent overall attenuation for virtually all industrial noise environments. The ultra-low profile earmuffs have an auxiliary input for audio devices and are available in a choice of camo, olive green and black colour schemes. You can find out more by visiting all the W's, honeywellsafety.com, or call them on Honeywell Safety Products 1300 139 166. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.